Hi friends, Cole here. Thank you so much for joining me. Going to feed you all another bedtime yoga. Getting lots of requests for these. I think it's because we get so jazzed up during the day. We have this huge list of things to do, got to get it done. We have this productive pressure in our society. So often when we're ready to go home and go to bed, we can't shut it off, myself included. I'm always I'm going to be in bed by 10, and 11:30 comes around and I'm still answering one more email. It's kind of challenging for me, or this is the excuse that I use, is that I live in Bali now, so I work with people in Europe and in America, so I'm on all these different time zones, which really, I set my own schedule, so I could potentially change that. And for some reason, I have this ingrained that I get one more thing done, I'll feel a little bit better about myself, when it can wait until the next day. So it's just interesting. So notice those things that you do that are self-imposed, and separate that from I need to do to I'm choosing to do. So maybe we can back up a little bit on that. But anyhow, just go ahead and take a seat. I'm just going to kind of unwind. I've been doing a lot of fluid movement lately, so we're just going to move the body. So just sway side to side. Just going to kind of rock ourselves to sleep here. And begin to make big circles. The spine, however you like. Doesn't have to look a certain way. And then we move to the other side. So we'll get some mobility in the spine, and we'll open up the hips a little bit, and then we'll lay it down. Maybe roll the head. Whew. My neck is always tight from this hair. I think I'm gonna cut it soon. Oh boy, it's been 5 years, but I think it's time to go. It's starting to hurt my neck for sure. It'll be a whole new adventure. Let's come into tabletop. Push down into the earth with the left hand. Inhale, lift the right arm up. And exhale, sink all the way down, but we won't stay. Push the ground away and lift all the way up. And this time we'll stay for 3 rounds of breath. Exhale, reach it down. You're gonna reach the left arm out in front and maybe wiggle it over towards the right side, gazing up over the left, under the left shoulder. Just getting in a juicy twist here. Plant the left hand underneath the left shoulder, push the ground away, and we lift all the way up. And then exhale, swing that arm forward, and we'll take some big arm circles and back. Forward and back, and forward and down. And switch sides. Inhale, open up with the left side. Exhale, we dip down, but we don't stay. Push the ground away, and inhale, lift up. And exhale, come all the way down. Drop the shoulder, drop the left cheek. Let's walk the right hand up towards the top of the mat, and maybe shimmy it over towards the left side, gazing up. Take some audible exhales. Really talking to the nervous system, saying it is time to rest. Plant the hand underneath the right shoulder, push the ground away. Open all the way up. Exhale, bring the hand towards the top of the mat and then back. Big arm circles. And down to the mat. Beautiful. Take a couple cat-cows here. Really, really slow. Slow down the breath, slow down the movement. Beautiful. Take the left knee and bring it in between the thumbs. And bring the left foot over towards the right side. We'll take the right knee behind and take the foot over towards the left side. So we're kind of in the shoelace, and we'll sit the hips back. I'll turn towards you. But it's this shoelace feeling. If this is too much for the hips, you can sit up on something. You can also have the left leg extended. Place the hands on the feet and kind of press down and give yourself a little foot massage here. This will help you to shimmy the hips in as well. Just close the eyes. You can bow forward here. You can also take a twist if you'd like, but I'm just gonna settle right here. This feels nice to me. It's giving the hips some attention, the outer hips. A couple more rounds of breath. Plant the hands and just walk the knees back. Shimmy the hips side to side. We'll switch. So the right knee will come up. You can send the right foot over towards the left side, bring the knee behind, other knee behind, and sit the hips down. Might feel different on each side. Moving slow. Allow the eyelids to be soft, even whenever you're looking at the screen or moving around, just let them be heavy. You can place the hands down on the feet. Give a little foot massage here, moving really slow. And rocking the body with the breath. Again, you can feel free to fold forward if you'd like, or take a twist. Sometimes just this staying up, a little bit of movement or stillness is the ticket. So feel into your own body. There's no right or wrong. Plant the hands behind this time and we'll roll back on the hips. Take the soles of the feet on the ground and we'll just windshield wiper side to side. Beautiful. Let's come down onto the back. Pull the knees into the chest. Take the left foot down, sole of the foot down, and let's lift the right leg up. You can grab behind the thigh or the calf. Don't worry about flexing the foot or anything, let it relax and just take a couple ankle rolls maybe if that feels good. If you want a little bit more, you can extend the left leg. Whatever feels good. Slowing the breath down, closing the eyes down. Bending the right leg, taking the ankle over the left knee and pulling in reclined pigeon. You can grab for the back of the thigh or the front of the knee. Just a few rounds of breath here, finding some opening. Let every exhale make you feel heavier into your bed or into your mat. Release the left leg. Release the right leg, both on the floor. Plant the hands down and we'll just take a couple rolling bridge. So press into the feet, into the shoulders to lift the hips up and then wave the spine down. Twice more like this. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, release down once more, even slower. Inhale, lift. And exhale, release. Begin to straighten the left leg, bringing it up into the air. You can grab behind the thigh or up on the calf. And the shoulders drop away from the ears, relax the foot. If you want to take a couple foot rolls, you can, ankle rolls, wiggle the toes. Just moving really languishly. Is that the right word? Languish. I'm not sure. I have this word of the day app. I'm always trying to add new words into my repertoire, but I get them mixed up sometimes. Languishly. Recline pigeon. Bend the leg. Take the sole of the foot over the knee and draw the knee in. Really gentle, really easy. Think simplicity. If you find a to-do list scanning through your head, try to exhale and place pause. Press the pause button on it. Often the most productive thing we can do is relax, and that's definitely the case when it's time for our deep nightly rest. One more big inhale. Exhale, release both feet down to the ground. 3 rolling bridges, very, very slow. Begin to lift the hips. So even slower than the breath. Maybe it takes a full inhale and exhale to come up and a full inhale and exhale to come down. Extend the legs long. Turn the palms up. Shavasana, corpse pose. Symbolizing the end of a cycle. So here we can use it as the end of the day. Whatever has happened today or before, you have the ability to wash it away, start again tomorrow. We always have the chance to begin again, but not until we release what has already happened or integrate what has already happened. So I wish you deep, restful, yummy sleep, beautiful dreams. And I'll leave you where you lie. See you all next time. Namaste.